Hey, welcome to Willis Talk on the bike. Attempt 1 using a cell phone in dun 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 dun. I believe they called it picturesque mode or something. It's where you hold the phone not very comfortably in your hands so that you can actually record something on the go, or perhaps something on your desk, or if you're trying to film like a zoo thing or something. And this is the only way you've got to film for a camera. Is this easy, YouTube? No, I don't think so. There's got to be some easier ways, and I'll figure it out eventually. Because this does not provide a very good grip upon the bike, or let alone the phone. The phone is actually the first thing that anybody should actually let go of if in case of a bicycle problem. In truth, it should not even be held. It should be mounted on the front, like I have a mounting pad here for. But I wanted to try to see this if it would go good and tell you what not to do. Wah! No, I'm not stupid enough to crack my boing, going, goings. There might be some jackasses still out there, but frankly, even they don't like the pain, but they like the money. They like that money. They like them picnic baskets they're getting on. And other than that, woo, it's noisy out here. I hope you can hear me. If not, I kind of guess it's a failure, but I'm still going to post it anyways. That way you guys can get an idea of what to do, what not to do on your own YouTube things. This I definitely would not recommend, especially if you're try to do like something like a 3 or 4 minute program, because my arm is getting tired just trying to hold this. Now my other arm is quite nicely relaxed, but you know, doing anything like dramatic turns and that, I would not feel safe to actually do that myself. Now perhaps somebody else that's more skilled with bike and doing it with one hand might be able to do it, but not me. So pretty much I'm kind of stuck at either going straight or turning again, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to see if I can't push this out here to maybe a 4-minute video and maybe talk about something else, like how strong does your arm actually have to be to do something like this? Serious. Or how you can just actually forget any kind of muscle fatigue. Yeah, muscle. Oh, poor Robin Williams. It's a huge muscle fatigue. Great, I can't say muscle. Ah, I want some muscles, please. Uh-oh. Oncoming car. Oh no. Test. Ah! Oh no. And I can't look behind me. I can't slow down. If I slow down, I'll probably crash. Okay. Honest to goodness, that's actually the shit that's just ran through my head. Oh crap. Oh well. That's like George Carlin said. You can say some of the words some of the time and some of the words other times. Because sometimes you say the word and then you do it. And other times you already did it before you do it. But back to the subject. We might actually make a 5-minute video. But this is pushing it. Do not recommend this. Not at all. Big. Making your YouTube videos like this with a phone in this angle, no. And I don't think that it would be much better in the other, unless you can somehow mount it to your bike with some mechanism, which I don't have yet. If somebody has figured out one, put it down in the like comment and why not subscribe to see what other wacky adventures await in the near future. And that is over 5 minutes. I'm sorry, fans, I did not dedicate more. Not right now. I'm hacking and coughing anyway. So, out, Willis. Still stay well.